Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into using project templates for agile workflows in Asana, your complete guide for 2025. Let's get started. First off, head over to the Asana homepage. Now that we're here, locate and click the New Project button. This helps us because it initiates the creation of a new project where all our agile workflow will reside. Next up, we're presented with a catalog of templates. Look out for the Agile Management option and select it. The reason we do this is to leverage the preset structure of the template. It's designed to support agile workflows, which saves us the time and effort of building everything from scratch. Now we've done that, let's tailor the template to our needs. Click on the individual tasks and edit the details to fit your specific project requirements. This is key because no two projects are identical, and customizing the template enables it to align with our unique project goals. Moving on, assign tasks to team members. To do this, click on the Assignee field and select a team member from the drop-down list. Let me explain why this matters. Assigning tasks ensures everyone knows their responsibility, leading to more efficiency and fewer misunderstandings. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Asana is organizing all these tasks into a coherent, agile workflow. This visual interactive layout helps teams understand their work dynamics better. Lastly, set your desired timeline by inputting start and end dates for each task. This helps us because it creates a clear roadmap for our project, enhancing time management and accountability. And there you have it. Now you can use project templates for agile workflows in Asana. Remember, consistency is key in maintaining these workflows. So, keep using your template and make adjustments as necessary to keep your projects on track. Thank you for joining us today. Until next time, keep those workflows flowing.